So birth number 1 means if your date of birth is 1, 10, 19 or 28 of any month, then your birth number is 1. And 2026 also makes a 1, which means 1 and 1, it's a nice combination. 1 and 1 combination is usually considered very lucky because ये बहुत ही powerful force होता है and it is an unstoppable energy. इसमें ड्रॉबैक ये होता है कि थोड़े से ईगो क्लैशेस आपको फेस करने पड़ेंगे. Apart from that, it's going to be a very lucky year for you. So you can really shine brightly this year and keep doing your work. Theoretically, मैं सबके लिए for each number I am going to do 2 card reading. One will be for the theme of the year and another will be the advice for the year. For the theme, I am taking all the major arcana cards. For the advice, I am taking the minor arcana cards. So what is the theme for the number 1 people in 2026? So let's see what we get. We get temperance. Temperance का मतलब होता है कि you have to balance your energies. Sun and moon का खेल यहाँ पे चलता है temperance में, which means आपको समझना पड़ता है कि you cannot always run fast. Sometimes you have to slow down. Sometimes you have to take care of your body. So basically आपको exhaust नहीं होना है because 1 and 1 combination itself is very energetic. So ये आपको बहुत भगाएगा. So better to find balance and try to control so that you can have a good year. And advice for you is 8 of Wands, which means सभी energies बहुत ज़्यादा fast आपके life में move होने वाले हैं and you will be having very fast improvements in your life and all the factors are coming together and trying to make something happen. So in this situation you have to find the balance because if you are not balanced you won't be able to take the benefit of these energies which is coming together. So basically your life is coming together and then you can hope for a good year. Just need to have self control so that you can enjoy the life better. So now for number 2. So number 2 वालों के लिए 2026 कैसा होने वाला है? Number 2, if your date of birth is 2, 11, 20 or 29 of any month, then your birth number is 2. And 2026 makes a 1, which means what is this combination? 2 and 1. ये एक राजा रानी वाला combination है. Surya is the king, sun is the king, and moon is the queen. So now king and queen are coming together, which means a very powerful year for the number 2. आप अभी फाइनली फोकस कर पाएंगे व्हाट यू रियली वांट बिकॉज 2 इज ऑलवेज अबाउट द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नंबर 1 you will finally able to decide, like your decisions will be quicker and you will have more clarity of mind this year. So that means you can really choose what you want to do. Now let's see what the tarot cards have to say. So what is the theme for the number 2 people? Number 2, we get the devil. Okay, so devil का मतलब होता है कि you are still कोई फोर्स है जो आपको स्टॉप करने का ट्राई करेगा, कोई फोर्सेस हैं जिससे आप बहुत बंधे हुए हो। एडिक्शन से आपको बहुत सजग होने की ज़रूरत है। देयर मे बी थिंग्स व्हिच यू विल बी फीलिंग एडिक्टेड टुवर्ड्स, सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दोज़ थिंग्स and also there will be very tempting offers coming in your way, but then you have to decide because see, with the 2 there is always confusion, there is always conflict in the mind, but because you are getting the support of 2026 now, the number 1, you can finally decide and you can get rid of that mental fog. And advice for you in this devil situation is 5 of Swords. So आप ये मत सोचो कि आप क्या खोने वाले हो. Always in any situation you have to decide what आपको मिलने वाला है. सिर्फ हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. So 5 of Swords is that card which shows that sometimes you don't have to win. Like always don't try to win. Try to win the hearts of people. So that is the message for number 2 people. And 2026 में ये बहुत ज्यादा और आपके समझ में आएगा because this is the theme. Like go get away from your addictions. चाहे वो कोई भी चीज का एडिक्शन होता है, नशा तो हर चीज का होता है जीवन में. किसी को पैसे का नशा है तो किसी को किसी और चीज का नशा है, बट देन नशा इज ऑलवेज देयर. वी ऑल आर इंटॉक्सिकेटेड विद समथिंग. सो फॉर number 2 it is going to be a very important year where you will be finding the mental clarity. So number 3 वालों के लिए 2026 कैसा होने वाला है? If your date of birth is 3, 12, 21 or 30 of any month, that means you are born in your birth number is 3. So 3 is the number of Jupiter and 2026 is the number 1, which is the number of Sun. That means Jupiter and Sun coming together. Jupiter and Sun are friends. So it's a good combination, and you will finally be expanding your horizons, and you will be creating your individuality, because number 3 believes in cooperation and teamwork. Although number 3 have a big ego, but still they are very good in teamwork and working with people. बट 2026 में नंबर 3 पीपल को भी रियलाइज होगा कि दे नीड देयर ओन इंडिविजुअलिटी. सो इवन इफ आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट में काम करोगे, आपका इंडिविजुअलिटी बहुत अच्छे से निखर के आएगा, एंड यू विल बी टेकिंग द सेंटर स्टेज. व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर नंबर 3 पीपल? ओके, यू गेट द जजमेंट. जजमेंट कार्ड का मतलब होता है कोई बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन आपके सामने आने वाला है, विच इज नॉट बाय यू बट गिवन टू यू. सो जैसे होता है ना कि आप बहुत सालों से कोई चीज के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हो, तो फाइनली द रिजल्ट इज आउट, द वर्डिक्ट इज आउट. अगर आप कोर्ट केसेस में लगे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इस साल आपको कोई ना कोई आर या पार वाला नतीजा मिलने वाला है. एंड जजमेंट का ये भी मतलब होता है कि यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर जर्नी, यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग योर वर्क एंड नेवर गिव अप, बिकॉज अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करते हो तो डेफिनेटली आपको उसके रिजल्ट मिलते हैं, विच इज द यूनिवर्सल लॉ. तो कोई भी चीज यूनिवर्सल लॉ के ऊपर नहीं होती है. तो टेम्पररीली भले ही आपको कोई फेलियर मिले, बट अल्टीमेटली यू विल फाइंड द सक्सेस. एवरी डिसीजन विल अल्टीमेटली इज फॉर योर फेवर. सो नंबर 3 वालों के लिए कुछ बिग चेंजेस आने वाले हैं लाइफ में, एंड व्हाट इज द एडवाइस फॉर यू हाउ टू कोप विथ इट? You get 7 of wands. Okay, so that means it's a fighting energy. 7 of wands का मतलब होता है you have to stick to your point, you have to stand for what you believe in. अगर आपको लगता है आप सही हैं, तो चाहे पूरी दुनिया आपके सामने आ जाए, you should not bend, you should not give up. So this is the energy for 2026, which means कोई भी judgment आपके सामने आएगा, but you have to be there, you have to fight for your rights. So that is what going to happen कि अगर आप टीम वर्क में भी होंगे, as the numerologically we saw, you will be standing out, you will be keeping your points as compared to before. Now you will be having a good self what do you call it, the self appraisal types of thing, that you will understand that you matter. So that's for number 3. Now let's move on to the number 4. Number 4 राहु का नंबर होता है, and if you are born on 4, 13, 22 or 31 of any month, then your birth number is 4. तो 4 राहु का नंबर है, and 2026 is 1, which is the Surya. So Sun and Rahu are actually enemy. So 4 and 1 have a different kind of chemistry because they are found together. If you see around, you will always see that number 4 people and number 1 people are usually around each other, but they are not really very compatible, but maybe they have this tendency of staying together because there is a old connection, but then they are not actually compatible. So इसीलिए 2026 में, because it is a 1 year and you are number 4, you will be forced to do things which you don't want to do. You will be forced to break your comfort zone. आपको बहुत सारे ऐसी चीजें आएंगी जिसकी वजह से आपको कुछ ऐसे काम करने पड़ेंगे जो आप जिस चीज को लेके आप लेजी होते थे पहले, बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज देयर, and you will be doing new things. Basically you will be experimenting, which the number 4 people don't like to do. So number 2026 आपको एक न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके आने वाला है, एक न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंटिव लेके आने वाला है, and it is going to be a year which you will remember. So theoretically what it means, theoretically let's see what is the theme for the number 4 people. चैरियट, यस, यू विल बी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. आपको बहुत सारे एरियाज ऑफ आपके लाइफ में काफी सारे फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट देखने को मिलेंगे. यू विल बी बैलेंसिंग योर सेल्फ, यू विल बी बैलेंसिंग योर इमोशंस राइट एंड रॉन्ग के बीच में, एंड बहुत सारे अपोजिंग फोर्सेस को आप बैलेंस करते हुए चलेंगे इन होम, इन ऑफिस, इन वर्क, एवरीवेयर. यू विल बी फेसिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ चैलेंज जहाँ पे कि दो अपोजिट पार्टीज को आपको मैनेज करना है, दो अपोजिट इमोशंस को आपको मैनेज करना है, बट स्टिल बिकॉज यू आर गुड एट इट, आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से कर पाओगे. एंड चैरियट ऑलवेज मीन्स फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट एंड बीइंग इन कंट्रोल. So you will be finally be in control of your life. In 2026, there situations will arise which will make you more comfortable to move forward. So what is the advice for you in this situation? Advice card में we are getting very nice 9 of cups. 9 of cups is the wish fulfillment. So 2026 में you will be having a good time for your life because your wishes are coming to fulfill because you have finally taken the control and you are finally moving out of your comfort zone. So all these things all together means that नंबर 4 वालों के लिए 2026 अच्छा रिजल्ट देने वाला है. Now let's move on to the next number which is number 5. So if your date of birth is 5, 14 or 23 of any month then आपका birth number होता है 5. So you are 5 and 2026 is 1. 1 and 5 is a very good combination because 5 is the number of Mercury and 1 is the number of Sun. Sun and Mercury usually get along well and they are usually found together. So that means they have a very good bond and 1 and 5 together makes the willpower is very good when these two numbers come. So 5 वालों के लिए 2026 will be giving more clarity and they will be focusing now because 5 has the talent. 5 is multi-talented. So 5 has the tendency to go around and do so many things. But now in 2026, the number 5 people will be more focused in one thing. They will find their path which they really want to follow for a long time. So 2026 is that kind of year for number 5. If we see theoretically how it is going to be, what is the theme for number 5? The theme for number 5 is justice. Justice का मतलब होता है कि जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. So 2026 आपके साथ जस्टिस लेके आएगा. तो अगर आपके कर्म अच्छे हैं तो आपको डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके कर्म कहीं ना कहीं कुछ आपने गलतियां की हैं, जानबूझ के अगर की हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली उसका प्रॉब्लम आपको फेस करना पड़ेगा और अनजाने में की हुई गलती इतना मैटर नहीं करती है. तो जस्टिस मतलब आपको काफी सारे एरियाज में जस्टिफाइड रिजल्ट मिलने वाले हैं, यानी कि आप जितना मेहनत करेंगे उतना आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा. सो इट्स वेरी क्लियर. So what is the advice for you? Advice is 5 of Pentacles. Okay, so here it is not a very good card. So the both the energies are saying that you may not 2026 में आप जितना ज्यादा चाहते हैं शायद उतना ना रिजल्ट मिले आपको because it's again a new beginning for you. But then थोड़े से अप्स एंड डाउन रहेंगे एंड काफी सारे चीजों में आपको थोड़ा सा लगेगा कि थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग द वे यू वांट, बट कीप गोइंग ऑन बिकॉज हर साल एक जैसा नहीं होता एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज अनदर ईयर कमिंग, अनदर गुड ईयर इज कमिंग फॉर यू. सो दैट इज फॉर नंबर 5. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू नंबर 6. नंबर 6 अगर आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 6, 15 और 24 of any month, then you are number 6 and 2026 is 1. So 6 and 1. Now this combination is actually a good combination because usually number 1 goes around well with all the numbers, but still Sun and Venus are not actually very compatible because they both have different life philosophies and they both have different mindset. So 1 and 6 doesn't get along well, which means number 6 may feel a bit intimidated in 2026. यानी कि 2026 में नंबर 6 वालों को अपने कोर वैल्यूज के ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा एंड दे मे फील कि उनके साथ चीजें बहुत प्रॉपर नहीं हो रही है. Like they will be forced to do things which they don't want to do. So 2026 will be a challenging year for number 6 people. What is the theme? The theme is again the lovers, which is the theme of 2026. So theme lovers यानी they have the choice, they have to choose. So 6 नंबर वालों को इस साल बहुत सारे decisions लेने पड़ेंगे between their mind and heart, and they have to take many rational, irrational decisions based on what they really feel. So lovers is the card of choice, and advice for them is Ace of Cups. So basically, always the heart should win over your head. So whenever your heart wins, we are more happy and we are more content. So number 6 वालों को finally realize होगा कि the heart is most important and they will start thinking from a full heart. And number 6 usually is very go lucky number and it's one of the luckiest number in numerology. So number 6 usually gets luxury and there is so much of love in their life already. So now they need to acknowledge that love and they need to practice unconditional love. So if number 6 will practice unconditional love, the choices will be easier for them and 2026 will move smoothly with all the decisions. अभी हम मूव ऑन करते हैं नंबर 7 की तरफ. नंबर 7 and number 4 both are really very interesting numbers. They deserve one full episode for them. Okay, so the number 7 is the number of Ketu. So Ketu, and here we have 2026, which is 1. So number 7 is your birth number if you are born on 7, 16 or 25 of any month. So for you, how 2026 is going to be? So Ketu and Surya is actually enemy, but again, just like the Rahu, they are always found together. Like if you see around, you will see that 1, 4, 7, and 2. Actually, these four numbers are usually found together. So 7 and 1 is a good combination because 7 is Ketu, which is the headless, but then Sun is the Surya, which is very clear in what you want to do. So finally, the number 7 people will also realize what they really want और what is their core values and how to navigate life forward. So number 7 वालों के लिए काफी eye opening year हो सकता है, and they will find more clarity and they will be driving with more ambition in 2026. So theoretically, what is the theme? Death. Okay, so it doesn't mean physical death, but it really means that 2026 is going to be a new beginning for 2000, for number 7 people, because death is the card of endings. So now old things are ending, old things which were supposed to end is ending for number 7 people, but new beginning is always there, because death card always एक new शुरुआत को दर्शाता है. It is not easy, the endings are not easy, but then you have to move on because there is no other way, because when nature comes to play, we cannot stop it. So this is the year for them. And what is the advice? Advice is 10 of pentacles. So after that it is a very good advice, because 10 of pentacles का मतलब होता है कि family time and the traditions and the generations से जो चीजें चलती आती है, and abundance basically in every area of the life. So the advice is, if you focus on the values and the core values and what you really want to create for the future, it basically means आप क्या legacy आपका छोड़ के जाना चाहते हैं, like what you want the world you to be remembered for. So that is what you have to work towards in 2026. लोग आपको कैसे याद रखें, आप कैसे चाहते हो लोग आपको याद रखें, तो आप उसके प्रति आप वर्क करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. बेसिकली नंबर 7 वालों के लिए इट्स अगेन ए न्यू बिगिनिंग एंड दे विल बी facing many challenges, but still this going to be a new you, like it's a new you phase for you. Okay, now for number 8. So number 8 is the number of Saturn, which is a very practical number. Your birth number is 8 if you are born on 8, 17 or 26 of any month. So 8 वालों के लिए 2026 कैसा होने वाला है? You are 8 and 2026 is number 1. So 8 and 1 is actually not compatible because ये सूर्य और शनि का number है. That means there is many clashes going on, especially with the government. तो अगर आप ऐसा कुछ काम करते हैं जहाँ पे कि गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, कोई लीगल इश्यूज आने के चांसेस हैं, तो फिर आपको बहुत केयरफुल होना है 2026 में. अवॉइड डूइंग एनीथिंग विच इज नॉट एज पर द रूल्स. लाइक अथॉरिटीज के साथ फाइट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. सो बेटर यू फोकस ऑन नॉट फाइटिंग विद द अथॉरिटीज एंड ट्राई टू कीप योर like follow the rules, so your life will be easier. So what is the theme for you? The theme for you is the moon. That means the path is not clear. Like 2026 में नंबर 8 वालों को और काफी कुछ इमोशनल लेवल पे कुछ चीजें परेशान कर सकती हैं, एंड दे मे नॉट फाइंड द क्लैरिटी. देयर विल बी थिंग्स दैट इज मेकिंग देम फियरफुल. आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, एंड द पाथ इज नॉट क्लियर. बट देन व्हाट इज द एडवाइस फॉर यू? Advice is Ace of Wands, which means an idea can change your life. So Ace of Wands का मतलब होता है कि आपके पैशन को आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए. एक ऐसा बर्निंग डिजायर अगर आपके अंदर है जो आप करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए फिर आपको डबल थॉट नहीं देना चाहिए. 2026 can be a new beginning for you if you are ready to face your fears, because if you want to play safe then you cannot win, but if you are ready to really face your fears, जो भी आपके inner demons हैं आप उनको face करिए, and then this year is going to be a spark of new idea and it will make your life, because 2026 is a new beginning. Now the final number, which is the number 9. So number 9 is a very powerful number. It is ruled by Mars. And you are number 9 if your date of birth is 9, 18, or 27 of any month. So now you are number 9 and 2026 is 1, which is a powerful, powerful, beautiful combination because Sun is the king and Mars is the uh, soldier, like the army chief. So now the Sun is the authority, and the army chief is ready to do whatever the authority wants. So it's a very powerful combination, and this is a wonderful year for number 9 because they will be seeing more power, more force in their life, and they will be able to decide what they want. And it's going to be a very lucky and productive year for you. So, what is the theme for you? The theme is Empress, which means a new, like you are birthing something new. You should also spend some time in nature. But this powerful card shows that नंबर 9 वालों के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा ईयर होने वाला है. They can be all creative. They can finally do what they always wanted to do, and they can always nurture things around them. Like they will be having more power to build things. They can create things. So 2026 में जो भी आपके मन में आइडियाज हैं आप उनको यूज करके बिल्ड करिए whatever you wanted to build. So advice for you in for this year is Six of Pentacle. So don't be afraid of spending money. Don't be afraid of giving help. Don't be afraid of taking help either. So if you are generous with your money, number 9 people are usually very generous. So if you are generous and you are humanitarian, you can do more charity this year, and you will be giving birth to something new. Basically, you will be creating something new in your life, and it's a powerful combination. So of course, it's going to be a wonderful year for the number 9 people. It was the generalized reading for 2026. If you want to have your personalized reading, आपने देखा ही होगा कि जब हमने नंबर्स के साथ टैरो कार्ड ऐड किया तो इट वाज मोर इंसाइटफुल एंड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन केम आउट. And when we do the personalized reading, we will also be adding the astrology layer, which is based on your horoscope. So you get a full, insightful reading for the 2026 for the coming year. So if you want to have the personalized year reading, then DM me for details.